Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is prestigehumanhair. If you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, you can already tell from the title, this is a powder foundation routine for the summer. I know guys, outside is so hot right now. It is summer. Summer is finally here and the heat is finally here. So I wanted to do something really simple and really easy for beginners that you can do if you're not familiar with the cream foundation and liquid foundation, all of that stuff. And if you don't want to go outside and sweat all your makeup off, and trust me, you do not want that. So everything is on my face is powder, no liquid foundation, only powder and concealer. That's it. All right, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. And yeah, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my lip scrub. I always do this when I'm doing my makeup look. Any makeup tutorial at all, I used to do this because, your lips are going to be choppy on camera. So you want to make sure that your lips are looking right. So I go ahead and put this on and I let it sit on my lips until I do my lips. So lip scrubs is on, and then next I'm going to go into my dry skin cream pods moisturizer. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of washed out, but this is what I normally use when I do my moisturizer because I do have dry skin. You guys know that. So even though you're not going to put on any foundation, any cream foundation at all, you still have to moisturize and prime and do all of that skincare. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Okay, so this makeup tutorial is only going to be about the face. I am not going to put on any shadows on the eyes at all and none of that. Next one I'm going to go into, which is optional for you guys. You could go and do anything that you want to do, but for me, I cannot go in. I sometimes do and I sometimes don't, but I'm going to go into my Hydra Touch, and this is a primer, but it feels like a moisturizer. And also, if you want to go into a thicker primer that blur out your, little dots and whatever you have on your face, you could go into a LA Girl Pro or something else. But I'm going to go into my Hydra Touch, and I'm going to put a little bit of that onto my hand and just rub it here, right kind of into the T-zone area. Okay, so next I'm going to go into my eye gel cream, and I'm going to take a little bit, just like that, and I'm going to put it right underneath the eyes. Because I do have a lot of creases. I have crazy creases. It's not even funny. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub that. And I'm even going to put some on my eyelid. Oh, it feels so good. It feels really good. Okay, so to get that glow from within, I'm going to go into my MAC Source cream. And you don't have to put a lot of this, because it's really glowy, like it glows like crazy. So wherever you normally would have highlight, go ahead and do that, and I'm going to blend it in. And as you can see how glowy it is already, like look at here, you can definitely see it. Okay guys, so I'm going to take a water break. So this is my detox water. I drink 2 of these a day, and trust me, when you drink these, it make you go to the bathroom. Like, it really make you pee like crazy, like there is no tomorrow, and it's really good, and your pee comes really clear. So if any one of you girls are struggling with older pee or pee looking too yellow, trust me, if you want me to do a tutorial, what am I saying tutorial? If you want me to do a video of what I put into my detox tea, let me know down below. I will definitely do that for you, but let me go ahead and take a water break. This is so refreshing. Okay, let's get back to the video. So next, as I said, I'm not going to use any powder, any cream foundation on my face. So I'm going to go into concealer. I might go into another light one. I'm not sure yet. But it is really, really hot outside. And if you want to not have too much cakey foundation or have on foundation that really like sweat off as soon as you go outside, do powder. Okay, do powder and concealer, and that's it. So first I'm going to take this is the Narse cream in the shade Amende, if that's how you pronounce it. And wherever I have the dark spot, I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put right over here, and just little spots wherever I see any dark spots. So I'm going to first start off with under my eyes. Pretty much wherever I have beard, you know, wherever there's beard, wherever there's dark spot, wherever there is 5 o'clock shadow, put it there, okay? So next I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend this out. Okay guys, so now that it's all blended out, I know I look a little bit weird, but don't worry. I'm going to take another concealer. The concealer that I first used is 1 shade lighter than me. This one is 2 shades lighter than me, and this one is in Deep, which is in Tan Sand. Which is in Tarte Shape Tape, and it's in the shade Deep. So I'm going to put it right where I normally would have that really dark spot. And you could go a little bit lighter if you want to, which I normally go into the Tarte Shape Tape. And I just take that right underneath and I blend it with the other one, just so that it could get a highlight. And this is where I normally put it. I don't put it nowhere else. And then I take that same one and I blend it out. Okay guys, so after that I'm going to go in and I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm using my Patrickstarrr powder. And I'm going to go ahead and set that before it starts creasing up on me. And I'm going back with my same beauty blender and just pat it in. Just like that. And as you guys know, I cannot bake. Okay guys, so to set the rest of the face, I'm going to go into my MAC Studio Fix in NW45. This is my perfect match because this is the foundation that I use, which is right here. This is the MAC liquid foundation and this is the powder. So this is what I use to set the rest of my entire face so everything could blend in. Right now it looks very scary, I know, but I'm going to use this just to finish off my face. And I'm going to go into a brush that is very dense, so it's not too thick or it's not too hard and it's not too soft. It's really dense and it's a flat top. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to take a good amount, and wherever I did not conceal, I'm going to go ahead and do that and just tap it in and blend it out. Tap it in, blend it out. And make sure you get your neck because you want everything to blend very well. Okay guys, so afterwards I'm going to go into my contour palette, and this one is from NYX. This is what I normally use, and I'm going to take a little bit just to contour my cheeks. And then I'm going to take a little bit onto the brush and do my nose. Okay guys, so I'm going to go back into my powder and I'm taking another brush which is very fluffy. It's really, really soft. It's softer than the other one. And I'm just going to take that just to blend off the powder under my eyes because there's still a little bit of powder. So I'm just going to take that and just brush it off. Just like that. Next, I'm going to take my Mario Badescu spray and spray my face. And then I'm going to take that same beauty blender and just tap it in. Just tap. So just for a little bit of color onto my eyelid, I'm going to take that same NYX contour and I'm just going to take a little bit onto the brush just to get that shadow. So first I'm going to start here and just blend it. So I'm only going to put this and pretty much I'm just going to blend it so that we have a little bit of shadow onto my eyes. So next I'm going to take my blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm going to take a little bit, not too much, because this makeup is going to be, you know, solely about looking natural but not, you know, too dramatic at the same time. So I'm not going to take a lot of blush, just like that. Then if you put too much, go ahead and just take another brush and blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with my highlight from Fenty Kilowatt in Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. And tap it off and just sweep it onto right here. So you see how it looks so pretty already? It just blends right in. Okay, so next I'm going to go into my Bad Gal Bang mascara and then I'm going to go ahead off camera and put on my lashes. Okay guys, so did my lashes and I used that same mascara for my bottom one. Next I'm going to go ahead and wipe my lips off. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to go into something really simple, really neutral. And I'm going to take my Patrickstarrr. This one is in mahogany, is it? Yes, mahogany. And then I'm going to take my Colourpop. This one is in Pillow Talk. And I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Okay, so next I'm going to go into my Marc Jacob. This is like a glossy finish. And I'm going to go ahead and put it right at the center. So to finish it off, I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Nighter and spray my face. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. All powder foundation. No liquid at all, okay? And this is so simple, so easy. It looks so refreshing, so rejuvenating, and it's so nice. Like, look at my skin. My skin is glowing from head to toe, and it's only concealer and powder foundation. You guys saw it, all right? You did, right? Okay. But this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Leave a comment. Tell me if you like this whole entire foundation, you know, routine for the summer because it's super hot outside. And yeah, let me know what you think down below. And don't forget, I upload every single Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, I'll check you guys in my next video. Bye.